This video is going to show you how to pay for online classes with Xwell Medical. Log on to xwell.ie/online classes. Otherwise, you log on to xwell.ie and you can click videos. Scroll down and you will see we have a pricing plan where you can pay €5 per class or €40 to access all videos for 1 month. In order to pay and view the classes, you must first log in. By clicking this blue bar, you'll be directed to the login page. The login page is for those who have an account. If you do not have an account, click sign up. You will require an email address. You enter this email address and create a password specific for this site. Please note that this is not your email password. It is a password just for this xwell.ie site. So if you already have an account, enter your email address and your specific password and click login. You are now logged in and should see your name in this blue bar. Now you're able to pay for the classes. You can either pay the €40 for the month or scroll over any video that you would like and click the $sign. You can then buy this specific video for €5. Click continue as you are signed in. You can then pay by credit or debit card, or if you have a PayPal account, you can click this and it will redirect you to the PayPal account. If you enter your credit or debit card details, we will then ask you for your postal address details and click buy now. Otherwise, if you want to purchase all the videos and subscribe for the month, click this icon here, click continue, and again enter your payment details similarly. You must be logged in as this purchase is going to be specific to your account. So if I'm logged in now, any purchases I make will be onto my account. Hence why we need you to sign up or log in before you purchase.